Just another quick video. I am the Caveman, and this is Caveman Creations. And I got another scrap wood project. I was cleaning up, and I found a couple of blocks of wood like this. This is a 1x4. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut them in half. I'm going to throw them on the bandsaw, cut these 3 in half. I'm going to cut this out. And then we're going to add these stencils to it. Make little decorations out of it. And I just added this guide. That way you can keep a nice straight line. Now that the blocks are cut, you gotta sand them. Alright, now that I got them all sanded, I'm gonna go and paint them. And I'm using 2x Ultra Cover, the Rust-Oleum. Get this at Walmart. I don't really have good luck with the white. The other colors spray really nice. The white, I'll probably have to put on 2 or 3 coats to get the color of white that I'm looking for, so that you don't see the wood through it. The other colors, 1 coat, you're good to go. But with the white, could take 2, maybe 3 coats. So that's what I'm doing next. And see, as you can see, 1 coat doesn't really cover it. It just absorbs into the wood. So yeah, these are going to take a couple of coats to get them nice and white. So while I was literally waiting for paint to dry, I cut out some more and already sanded them down. And these I'm going to burn and then put the stencils on after. So while I still wait for paint to dry, I'm going to go and paint these. I'm using the G25 airbrush gun with a little deep black. And I have this other piece of wood to help keep it flat. And I like to wear gloves when I'm doing this. Just hold it down and spray over it lightly. And there you go. And there you have it. Just nice little signs of inspiration. They place them all over the house. We've got some. And I will get $5 each for these. And the next video, I'll show you how I made these out of scrap wood for Halloween. Till the next one.